Hi everyone, Lydia here. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I save my digital scrapbook for sharing online. This is especially helpful if you want to upload your layout to social media such as Facebook or Instagram. The thing is, sometimes we're so eager and excited that we just want to upload our new creations and show them to our family and friends online. But guess what? The layouts look fuzzy and they're not as sharp as you see them in Photoshop. Unfortunately, the online platforms will compress the image size, and that is why we see all the problems I have mentioned earlier. I know how frustrating this can be because I have experienced this before. Good thing is, I solved that problem so you don't have to. Instagram and Facebook guidelines say that for a square image being uploaded to an Instagram or Facebook feed, the recommended size should be 1080 by 1080 pixels with an aspect ratio of 1 to 1. This size looks best in both mobile and desktop Facebook feed. Yes, and this is for Facebook, and this one is for Instagram. It's the same for a square image, 1080 by 1080 pixels for square post with the 1-to-1 aspect ratio. And if you want to upload somewhere else, you might want to check out their size recommendation first, so you will have the correct size to upload. So here, now let me show you how to create a high quality scrapbook layout to upload to your social media or your Facebook and Instagram posts. Let's get started. We will begin by opening the scrapbook layout you want to upload to social media. If your layout is still in PSD file, we need to save it to a JPEG file first. So in the menu bar, go to File, Save a Copy. In the dialog box, name your file. I will still going to name it the same, but getting rid of this copy word. I'll save it on my desktop for now and set the format to JPEG. Click Save. Here in the JPEG dialog box, set the quality image options to 12 and set the format options to baseline. At this point, the JPEG file is still a very high resolution image, so it is perfect to use for printing, but needs some adjustments before uploading to social media. Now over here, you can just click OK. Hey, can you do me a favor? Please subscribe and give me a like. I will be so honored if you guys do that. This way, more people will see this video in a search engine and more people will benefit from it. Thank you so much. All right, now go back to our layout. In the menu bar, go to File, Open. Now locate the layout that you just saved to JPEG format. So I think it's this one, yep. Click Open. In the menu bar, go to Image, Duplicate. Click OK. Now we can close the original and we can also close this PSD file. Now, in the menu bar, go to Image, Image Size, and here in the dialog box, set the width to 1080 pixels and height 1080 pixels with the resolution 300 pixels per inch. Click OK. In the menu bar, go to File, Save a copy in the dialog box. I think this is fine for now. So I'll click Save. And here in the dialog box, set the quality image options to 12, or if you want to make it smaller, you can do it to 11 also. You may want to check the preview. So this way you will see how much resolution it is for you to see. And so I think as long as your image is less than 1 megabyte, I think you're fine. So I will just set the quality image size to 12 over here. And then set the format options to baseline standard. Click OK. To compare it side by side, here I have the JPEG file for printing, and then this one is for website. So as you can see, the eyes are still looking so good, even though the resolution is a lot smaller. So this one, let me make it bigger. And then this one. Look at that. It's really nice. Okay. All right, you guys. So that's it for today. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thanks for watching this video. I really, really appreciate you guys for giving me your time. Hope everyone has a wonderful day. Bye now.